Hi guys, Deadcraft here, and yeah.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the duplication glitch in Minecraft for 1.16 and above only. This glitch was found out by Razeworks. Link in the description is his channel. Subscribe to him too. Anyways, let's get started, gamers. First of all, you need to wear a gold armor so the piglins won't attack you. In order to avoid hoglins from attacking you, you can use warped fungus. Place it down close to you, so hoglins will avoid you.
You're a fake and a fraud!
Alright, all you need is to find a baby piglin. After that, drop the item you want to duplicate. Keep in mind you can only drop one item at a time, because piglins can't carry more than one item. If you want to, make sure you have a shulker box and place the items you want to duplicate. Dropping the item can be a little tricky, so be patient. Next is to dig a hole beneath the baby piglin, so it won't escape. If you're planning to dig the hole first, they will pick the blocks you digged, meaning they can't have your item you want to duplicate. After you dig a hole, cover it, so piglins can't see you killing the baby piglin. Yes, you need to kill it in order to duplicate the item. Second to last, you must hit the baby piglin until it's low on health. For a diamond sword it takes 2 hits for it to be on low health. For iron sword I haven't tested yet, but for the gold sword it takes 3. You can go test it for yourself. After that, drop them gold ingot. I haven't tested other gold items yet, and also don't drop gold armor, otherwise they will end up wearing it after they pick it up. Kill it, and voila, the item is duplicated. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm not dead yet. Please consider like the video, share it to your friends, and subscribe for more of my videos. Also, check out Razeworks channel in the description. See you guys in another video. Arrivederci Crusaders, na just kidding.